How would you feel about letting me give you a beautiful set of acrylic nails?
Are you kidding me? Can I have a guarantee that I won't have them by tomorrow?
I can guarantee you won't.
Finish this now.
You look like Peter Griffin.
What? I don't know what you want from me, okay? I'm ready once you stop talking. I can't grip him. Come here, dog.
I've never seen him look like more uncomfortable. Like, Julien. That is not how you hold an animal.
Okay, let's go home.
Like, I wish I could dye them this. I like this. No?
I don't agree with that thing.
Why? I think this is a good look.
Who are you fighting? Oh shit, what is that?
Watch out, all y'all's eyebrow tinting businesses about to go out of business. It doesn't look right.
Look up.
You have to go to your baseball game right now, son. Wait, so I'm gonna have a poop stain on my lip? Oh. Y'all might be laughing now, but y'all are gonna be fucking jealous of my eyelashes. Just sit here silently again for 12 minutes.
Oh, bitch.
It's like, it's getting worse. I need encouragement.
You can do it.
I just want to be beautiful. Here at Jenna's Ratchet Salon, we save costs in creative ways.
Is it okay? No blood?
No bad.
All right, not bad. Jenna's Ratchet Salon now offers shaves.
Oh my god! Ew. Where are you going? I have to... Stop it! I only have my foundation color, so that's what color you're gonna be.
What if it doesn't match my
Doesn't
foundation?
matter.
Oh, okay. Hold on one sec.
Okay.
I got a text on my watch.
Oh.
Your man says hi.
Oh. And down here. And what?
Nothing.
Flashbacks of when we did this before. Oh my god! Wait, can you zoom in? I feel like I can see that, but I'm freaking out right now.
What the
Oh my god! Julien! Don't ever talk to me or my son again. I've reached my final form.
Oh my god.
Hi, bitch! Hey, bitch, it's me, yo chair.
Oh my god.
Y'all bitches can't even spell chair. For the last year and a half, I have been diligently going to beauty night school every night, and I have finally
No,
graduated.
you haven't.
Yes, I
You
have.
literally haven't.
Hairdressers, are you cringing or are you excited? Because I can cut hair now. Everybody losing their fucking job. Now welcome to Jenna's actual Ratchet Salon, where we color your hair this way. You like it?
I do.
Do you want me to cut it more?
No. I think I want to leave.
Let's
I
go.
think I want to leave the salon, please. Hello, help.
Welcome back to my salon. And I also didn't really know what I was doing, but now I wanted to show my progress in cutting men's hair.
Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious?
My bad. I said my bad. Give us a 360 tour.
It's a huge improvement. You're getting better.
Thank you. Oh shit. Does that mean that I'm out of control? Look at, oh, bitch, I am an anime character. I didn't break you.
It looks so cute.
I just dyed my hair.
Did you cut it too?
Just my bangs.
Girl, who you fighting?
Fighting.
You look so cute. Oh, look at my girlfriend.
It's cute, right?
Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. Let me see your neck. Oh my, you look like an avatar from behind.
I want to join the Tanamojo Elite Hair Extension Club. where you can just see shit all over your head. If I was an alien and I came to this planet, I feel like one of the things I would find absolutely hysterical is that we like to wear each other's hair. I don't really know like where to put these. Okay, don't start with the sass.
Pick up my dry cleaners.
Oh my god! Julien!
Oh.
Do you like this one?
Okay, fine, I'll go to my room.
You want me to start at your ankle?
I don't know. Oh, fuck.
Here at Jenna's Ratchet Salon, we're now adding waxing to cater to our hairier client. It looks good.
Can you not touch it right after? Can you not touch it right after? Oh my god, get that away.
No, that's what you do. You like get a little bit of...
Oh my god! That's not how this works! That's not how any of this works!
Yes, it is!
There's hair all over that.
Yeah, but that's how it works. You can use a little
Getting
bit...
hot. Time traveler was still hungry after his last bite, so he went back 4 seconds. Oh, God!
1, 2...
What the? You didn't get any.
It's just full of wax. What's the matter? It hurts?
Look how red that is. It's like bright red. Ugh.